Hey guys, I'm sure you can tell by the background I'm still here. I'm actually waiting right now on a phone call telling me I can start loading and moving. As soon as the other house is ready to go, I'm out of here. Now, still got 7 days till they can move my internet service, so for the next week I'll probably still be shooting and uploading from here, but I will cut some video from the new house and show you guys what it looks like. I have to thank you all for everything you guys have done and the support, and honestly, without the comments and the friendship from all the people in the channel, I'd probably be a little stir crazy right now. My grandson's here, kind of packed in because there isn't much room left on the couch just beside the boxes, but we're still having a good time. Now, I got to watch the Avi and Friends concert the other night, and as I said before, thank you Viola Love for breaking up the videos because I really couldn't have done it. And thank you for telling me about it, and thank Emily for giving me a ticket and a chance to actually see it. And I'm not going to react to every song on there, and probably only going to do 2 or 3 more, and they're going to be of Legacy and India Carney. But this one, I have to do this one. This is one of my favorite Bob Marley songs. It's super uplifting, and I never thought that I would hear a bluegrass version of a Bob Marley song, at least not like this. So I want to share it with you guys, and please go support them. Try to support Acapella Academy and help out Viola. Go to her channel, watch all these videos, watch the concert. It was amazing. Without me rambling much more, because I'm sure you can still hear my dryer in the background, I'm going to get this one done, and hopefully by the next one I will be putting boxes in the truck.
This is I'll take it. I don't want to wait longer. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Such just a wonderful arrangement.
About a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be
I
alright.
love her voice too, and the
Singing, don't worry
3-part harmonies that these guys
about a thing.
came up with in the concert are
'Cause
just
every little
unreal.
thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning,
God, I love that
smiling
bass.
with the rising sun. 3 little birds just by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, the melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you.
This is what I hear locally a lot, at least what it used to be. It's uplifting, it's fun, and
Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little
I have a
thing
feeling his quartet's going to be a lot more popular than he's ready for.
Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
So much, it's really, it reminds me of that 60s folk music. It's wonderful.
Cause every little thing is gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
That smiling, dude. I said the last video, there are a lot of great vocalists. There are very talented performers, but it's very seldom you can get someone who can put forth the kind kind of emotion this guy does. It's very special. And a great version of this song.
Thank you.
Again, please go watch all of the videos. Subscribe to Viola. She, without her, this wouldn't have happened. Thank you. And support Avi and his quartet, because chances to hear really good folk music don't come along that often. And again, he has this innate ability to provide his emotion to whoever he's singing to. Whatever he's singing, you know what the song means. You know what he's feeling, and you feel it. It doesn't happen enough. I gotta go to get this junk done. Hopefully, crossing my fingers, 1 week from today, it'll be settled and things will be back on track and normal, and I'll actually be out in the woods a little bit, because I'm moving out of the reach of the town. It's sort of a good thing. If the neighborhood's cleaned up, it's a bigger house, it's a bigger yard, and the kids are going to be much happier. And I'll get to do a whole lot more there. Plus, I'll get to turn the music up a little bit louder because I don't have neighbors so close. Guys, thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. Check out Viola's channel, help her out. She's done an amazing thing with breaking down all the songs and all the music from that concert. And I know how much work that is. It's not a quick or easy process. I will see you very soon. I've got to go. Peace out.